In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import leads in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll be able to bring a spreadsheet of prospects straight into your leads module with confidence and accuracy. First, open Zoho CRM and head to the homepage. From the navigation, go to the sales area and open the leads module. This is where you'll manage all new prospects, and it's also where the import option lives. At the top, look for the Create Lead button. Instead of clicking it directly, open the small drop-down beside it and choose Import Leads. This brings up the import wizard, which will guide you through the rest. On the import screen, select the option to import from File, then click Browse to locate your spreadsheet. A quick tip here. CSV or XLSX files work well with a single header row and clean column names like first name, last name, company, email, and phone. Avoid merged cells and make sure each column holds one type of data. When your file is attached, click Next to continue. You'll be asked how you want to handle these records. Choose Add as New Leads. This tells Zoho to create brand new lead records from your file. If you suspect your spreadsheet might contain duplicates, it's a good idea to clean that up in the file beforehand so you don't create multiple copies unintentionally. Next, you'll land on the field mapping page. Click Apply Auto Mapping to let Zoho match your column headers to the appropriate lead fields. This usually gets most of the work done instantly. Review what's matched, and if you see any unmapped or incorrectly mapped fields, click the highlighted fields to fix them. Make sure mandatory fields are covered, typically last name and company for leads, so your import doesn't fail. When everything looks right, click Next. You may see additional highlighted options or confirmations on the screen. Follow those prompts as indicated to proceed. Before finishing, you'll need to check the box confirming that all email addresses you're importing will be used with explicit consent or legitimate interest, in line with Zoho's anti-spam policy. This is important for compliance and deliverability, so only import contacts you have permission to reach. Finally, click Finish to start the import. Zoho will process your file and then display a summary with how many records were created and if any rows were skipped due to missing or invalid data. If something didn't import, download the error file, correct the issues in your spreadsheet, and you can rerun the same flow. That's it. You've successfully imported leads into Zoho CRM. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.